Good evening. Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Tonight I'm going to show you how to figure out how much you will save over time, depending on how much money you can put into savings per month. Okay, we're going to do this all in Excel with a simple financial calculator that I'm going to walk you through creating right now. Let's get started. So you're going to need a little table like this one I've created here. You're going to need the rate, the NPER, that's the number of periods, the PMT, the payments per month, the PV, that's the what is it called? What does it stand for again? It's the present value, the type, and the future value, FV. Okay, so the rate is the monthly interest rate that you're going to get in your savings account. Okay. So if you're using a regular checking account, you're probably lucky to get like 1.5% per year. But if you use an online account, you can probably get 4 to 5%. So let's say we get an online savings account of 5% a year. We'll divide that by 12 to know how much that is per month. And it's 4.1667, okay? So that's what we put in this first column is 0.41667%. You have to put in the percent sign or it won't work right. Then how many months do we want to save? So basically we're asking ourselves this question. If I put aside X amount per month, how much will I save in however many months? So let's just put a 12, let's say in a year. If I save for a year, how much will I have in a year? So let's do 5% up here or 0.42% a month. We put however much we want to put aside per month or however much we're able to put aside per month. Let's say we're able to put aside $500 per month. Okay, let's leave that there. Then the PV, that's the present value. Let's suppose we start with 500 or you could start with 0, whatever you want to start with. Let's say we start with 500. Okay, how much are we going to have in 12 months? And then the type 0, just put this to 0. And then this is the equation we have to write. We're going to have $6,665 in 12 months if we start with 500 and put $500 away every month. Now, what if we start with 0? We're going to have 6,139. Well, 500 times 12 is 6,000 anyways. So that 5% a year we made, that made us $139 on our $5,000 investment. All right, so how do we write this equation? It's pretty easy. You just go to the cell for future value, click on formulas up at the top, then click insert function. Then choose FV for future value, insert function. Then just follow it. Rate, this one's the rate. NPER, this one's the NPER. Payment, PMT, that's this one. PV, present value, this one. And last one, type, this one right here. Click done. And there you have it. There's our equation. So how much would we have if we did this for, say, 30 years? That's 360 months. If we put $500 away for 30 years at 5% interest, that's $416,000. That's pretty cool. How much of that was our own money and how much was interest? Well, simply just write a little equation to the side here equals $500 a month times 360 months. Boom. That's wild. So if you put away $180,000, if you save $180,000 in the next 30 years, that will grow to $416,000. Let me make sure I did that right. $500 times 360 months. Yeah. So you've got to put away 180 of your own money, and that will more than double in 30 years at 5%. That's the power of compound interest. Okay. So hope that helps. Hope that helps you write the financial calculator you need, and I hope that motivates you to start saving some money. Please subscribe to Teach Mom How and check out the link in the description to watch more Excel tutorials that I've created for you. Have a great night.